To get started with Xfinity Stream, you need to have an Xfinity account and a compatible device such as a smartphone, tablet, or smart TV. First, download the Xfinity Stream app from the App Store on your device. Once the app is installed, open it and sign in with your Xfinity username and password. Next, you will be presented with a variety of options including TV, movies, and saved. The TV option allows you to browse live TV channels, while the movies option allows you to browse a library of on-demand movies. The saved option allows you to access content you have saved for later. To watch live TV, select the TV option and browse through the available channels. You can filter channels by genre or search for a specific channel. Once you find a channel you want to watch, select it and the live stream will begin. To watch on-demand content, select the movies or TV shows option and browse through the available titles. You can filter content by genre, rating, or release date. Once you find a title you want to watch, select it and choose the episode or movie you want to stream. Xfinity Stream also allows you to schedule recordings and manage your DVR. To schedule a recording, select the TV option and find the show you want to record. Then, select the record option and choose the recording settings. To get the most out of Xfinity Stream, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. You can also customize your streaming experience by creating a profile and setting parental controls. Additionally, you can access Xfinity Stream on multiple devices, allowing you to start watching on one device and pick up where you left off on another. Overall, Xfinity Stream provides a convenient way to access live TV, on-demand content, and DVR recordings from anywhere. By following these steps and tips, you can get the most out of your Xfinity Stream experience and enjoy your favorite TV shows and movies on your own schedule.